So you want a coupon, but do you struggle with finding time to actually be able to coupon? Well, in this video, I'm gonna break down the 2 ways that I can help you solve that so you can start couponing today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning into the video. If you're new here, take a second and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any amazing videos that I post for you guys every single week to help you save money from couponing and reach your financial goals. So there's 2 reasons why you're not able to find time to coupon. The first one is not knowing where to start and not knowing how to coupon. When we don't know how to do something, it prevents us from even starting and even trying because we're faced with analysis paralysis. Another reason might be you know how to coupon to an extent, but it's taking you hours and hours and hours. Well, not everybody has 5 to 10 hours a week to dedicate to couponing. I certainly don't. So you want to learn how to coupon quickly so that way it's not taking you a ton of time and you can fit it into your schedule every single week. So how do we do that? Well, couponing is a skill, just like anything else. So learning how to coupon and practicing it consistently is really important. The more you practice, the better you're gonna get. The better you get, the easier it'll be to find deals, to put together deals, and to be in and out of the store when you're couponing. So how do we get started? I always say pick one store. Just focus on one store. When you're trying to learn 5 stores at once, you're gonna get overwhelmed. What happens when we get overwhelmed? We stop and we don't move forward. So don't overwhelm yourself. Just pick one store that you want to focus on. I recommend picking a pharmacy like CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, or something like that. Because not only do they offer digital coupons, but they also offer rewards. That way you can then use those rewards to further lower your out-of-pocket cost. But that's for another video. Just trust me, those are the best stores to coupon at. You're gonna get the most amount of products for the least amount out of pocket. So pick whatever store is closest to you that you wanna get started with. And then download the app. So step 1, pick a store. Step 2, download the app. This is where you're gonna find the weekly ad. This is where you're gonna find the digital coupons. So you can start matching them up and figuring out what deals you wanna do per week. That way you can stock up consistently for your family. Being consistent with couponing is key because not everything is gonna be on sale every single week. This week, we may get an amazing deal on paper products, so you really wanna stock up. Next week might be a really good deal on laundry and hair products. The following week, you might get free razors and oral care. So you wanna make sure that you are couponing consistently. So once you have the app downloaded and you are going through the weekly ad, start getting acclimated with it. If you need help with learning how to find your deals and my 6 steps to put together deals on the products that you actually need and that you actually use, sign up for my free masterclass where I break this down for you. I also teach you what's a good deal to make sure that you're not leaving money on the table and you're stocking up on the right products at the right time. So you can click the card in the top right-hand corner or it'll be below in the description box so you guys can get scheduled for that. There's a couple different times that I run the class, so pick whatever time works for you. But knowing how to find the deals on the products you need is gonna really help you be able to move forward. So when you get started, make sure you're only doing a few deals at a time in a transaction. You don't wanna go crazy and try to do 5 or 10 deals in one transaction because what's gonna happen? Your out-of-pocket is gonna be really, really high. The whole point of couponing and the way that I teach couponing is how to keep your out-of-pocket cost really low. That way you're not blowing your budget and you're able to save your actual money by couponing and couponing the right way. So learning how to coupon is gonna help you with not spending hours and hours and hours. What I teach my students is how to coupon in as little as 1 or 2 hours per week. You go to the store once per week. So you're spending 1 or 2 hours a week stocking up for your family and going shopping. At the end of the day, you're gonna be going to the store and buying these products anyway, so you may as well learn how to save on them. The second reason why you may not have time is your priorities. Let's be honest. Things that are important to us that we prioritize, there is no if, ands, or buts. We make sure that we get it done. So you just have to ask yourself, what are my priorities? Do I really want to save money? Why do I want to save money? I ask in a lot of videos and a lot of emails that I send out, what is your why? This is really important because this is a big motivation factor. If your why is just to save money, well, that's not really specific. That's not really important to you. If your why is, I want to save $2,000 to be able to take my family on a vacation to Orlando, Florida, that is a really big why. That way you can make the memories with your family and just kind of pause daily life of the hustle and bustle and the bills and working, be able to relax and make those memories with your family. That's something that's really important to you. Well, you're gonna work a lot harder and start prioritizing couponing, saving money, budgeting, tracking your spending, and things like that, so you can make sure that you're reaching that goal. So you wanna make sure that you're just checking what are your priorities. A lot of people are working full-time. Maybe you work full-time and a part-time job. When I was working full-time, I was commuting to work an hour there and an hour home, and I was working like 50 hours a week. That's a lot of time. So therefore, I didn't really have much time to coupon, but I did it anyway. And how did I do that? On my lunch break. Every evening, I would put together my deals. So instead of spending 2 or 3 hours watching TV or watching Netflix or binging a series, I would take an hour of that or even 30 minutes of that, put together a few deals for the store that I wanted to do. Then the next day at lunch, I would go to that store, pick one obviously that's really close to my office. That way I could hit the store and be back within my hour lunch break. Then I would go couponing during lunch, grab all the products that I need. If I grabbed food, I would just shove it in the fridge at work, and I would do my couponing on my lunch break. That way I was still able to knock out the deals that I wanted to do. I was still able to save money on the products that we needed, but I wasn't having to spend time outside of work being able to do that, or couponing super late at night, or using my 2 days off that I had couponing. I didn't want to do that. So figure out what day is best for you to coupon every single week. Is Monday your slowest day? Is Thursday your slowest day? Or maybe you do have to pick a Saturday or a Sunday. If it only takes you 1 hour to go to the store, do all your deals, and come home, that's not a huge time commitment. And I know that's something that you'll be able to do. So pick whatever day works best for you, and make sure that you are couponing consistently at that one store once per week. And I guarantee you, you will start saving 50% or more on all of your household products and your personal care products. Let me know in the comments below when you are going to carve out time to be able to coupon every single week, so that way you can hold yourself accountable and I can help you as well. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you on your couponing journey, make sure you take a second and smash that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.